Hey everyone, welcome to the new collection for today. This is the Sakura kit for cherry blossom season. I'm gonna do a quick flip through, that way you guys can see just all the pages for the deluxe kit. Now this is a 6-page kit and you can grab all of these sheets a la carte as well as any of the other sheets. The only ones that aren't a la carte are the mini kits and the Hawanichi kits. So here's a closer look at these full boxes here. So we have cherry blossom florals and a couple of fashion items that I added. And then for like the shirt here, I also added flower like pattern on there. For the next sheet, we have the checklist, and I also added some florals to the top of some of these check boxes. And then for the icon sheet, here's a closer look at all of these. Now, I don't think I've ever shown you guys some of my favorite icons. So my favorites are actually like these like organization boxes. I use those whenever I'm like organizing things around the house or like in the office. I use all the packages ones, like even the letters. If I am mailing something or I'm expecting packages. The mermaid in the bathtub is also some of my favorite ones, as well as the popcorn and the balloons, which I usually do for like birthdays or any special occasions that I want to remember. The next page is the functional boxes. So we have all of your like sidebar type of stickers up here, plus all of your boxes. So there are various boxes over here. Next page is the washi sheet and the date headers. So here's a closer look at that washi. And then here's what the date headers look like on the side. Lastly, we have the Deco Sheet, which I use for layering and things. If you've never seen what these say down here, it says work to do today and payday, and these are literally like tiny stickers. They're actually also right here without any words, and then they're also on the first icon sheet down under the weekend banner. That is it for today. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.